Hey there beauties, Jaleesa, Charisse here, coming back at you with a new hair tutorial. And today I'm really excited about this one because I'm showing you guys how I achieve a beautiful wash and go. Yes, I know a lot of people say you can't do wash and goes in 4C hair, but I'm here to tell you that is a lie because look at these results. So I'm going to be showing you how I achieved this coil out wash and go with the aromatic lavender collection from Camille Rose. So if you want to learn how I achieve these results, keep watching. First things first, cleansing. So I like to make sure that my hair is completely cleansed, especially before jumping into a new brand or a new collection, because the products in a collection are typically used better together. So I'm going to be using the Fresh Cleanse from the Lavender Collection, and I'm just going to distribute it through my hair in sections and detangle. And clearly I'm out of the shower for this video, but I would be in the shower doing this in sections. But doing it before the shower kind of helps out too because you can detangle beforehand. This collection really is an aromatic experience. It has lavender, jojoba oil, and black elderberry, so it smells really, really good. But as you can see, I rinsed my hair in the shower and I'm ready for my favorite part, the deep conditioner. So I'm going to be using the Quench deep conditioner from the Lavender Collection, and this is like a thicker cream type of deep conditioner, and it has amazing slip, so it's going to help you detangle even more before rinsing out and moving on to the styling process. I really think that this deep conditioner is great even if you have low porosity hair or high porosity hair. Definitely for high porosity because it's going to give you that moisture that you need, and that's something that I need because my hair gets kind of dry. But now I'm going to move on to the just sitting process. I mean, I don't know what to call this, but you just let it sit for about 40-45 minutes. Especially if you're going to go under heat, but I like to keep it on for longer and just walk around the house. So here we go, 45 minutes, I'll be back. Well, that was pretty quick. I'm going to get rid of that shower cap, and then I'm going to rinse and then move on to styling. Alright y'all, so now we're really getting this party popping. I'm going to be using the whipped cream leave-in, which is a leave-in conditioner, and I'm just going to distribute it through sections using my Denman brush. And I use this leave-in conditioner before using the Crush Defining Gel, the Coil. Once I've distributed that leave-in conditioner to each section, I use the Crush Defining Gel. It kind of has a, I don't like to use this term, but kind of like a snotty consistency, but it's like amazing for slip, and it has great definition, like high definition. I'm really pleased with this product. It's definitely one that I would use all the time for a wash and go at this point. It does not leave any flakes or anything crazy, any white residue. A little bit does go a long way, I will say that. But yeah, love this product. I loved it when they came out with it the first time last year in 2017, and now it's back, the Lavender Collection, as a full experience. So I still love the formula, it's awesome. But I'm just gonna coil my hair. As you can see, I've been kind of talking over this part, but I just finger coil it. And this takes quite a while. I mean, it is not a quick process by any means, but it gives me the definition that I need, and it really makes my curls pop and stand out. So this is the process that I like to use when I'm not just truly washing and going. And whenever I need like a little bit of moisture, I will spray some water because it helps to do this on wet hair, not dry hair. And as you can see, I kind of clipped my sections just to kind of keep them out of the way, and it also helps kind of stretch the roots as well. So now that I am through with that lengthy process, I can take these clips out. And the next thing that I'm going to do is just let the hair air dry for maybe about an hour. I just want to make sure that it's mostly dry. And then I'll come back with my T3 hair dryer, and I'll use a diffuser attachment. Now it's good to have a diffuser because it helps reduce frizz. I use maybe about medium heat to dry the rest of the hair. But this also helps me stretch the hair, this process. So I diffuse at the root and stretch with my other hand. So it helps elongate the curls to prevent a ton of shrinkage, because with 4C hair comes quite a bit of shrinkage, and I think that's what a lot of people try to avoid. So using a diffuser and stretching the hair will definitely help. Thank you to Camille Rose for adding a lock on the shaken hair spritzer. I like to travel with mine, and it's a bummer when it spills, so new feature. I actually use the Lavender shaken hair spritzer for two purposes. One is to add some shine and make sure my fingers are, not gonna create a ton of frizz on my curls whenever I'm trying to style and I'm manipulating it. And then I also use the shaken hair spritzer to refresh throughout the week. So as you can see right now, I'm using my fingers a lot, and I am manipulating the curls quite a bit because I'm separating them now. I'm separating the coils to create more volume. Once I'm done separating the coils to add volume, I'm gonna add even more volume by using my pick at the roots. I know sometimes I can get a little pick happy, but I think the key here is to not pick too much and not to disrupt the pretty coils that you've created. The final product that I'm going to be using from this collection is the Lavender Edge Glaze, and when I tell you I'm in love with this product, I actually can't really even keep it because my mom loves it so much, so we gotta share. But this stuff will hold your edges down all day long, and it's not going to leave any nastiness in your hair, no flakes or anything like that, because I've seen some that a little questionable. This is amazing, and it really cleans up the edges. So this is my wash and go, and whenever I'm done, boom, into the week, and my makeup is on, my face is beat, sometimes I gotta refresh. So I'm using the shaken hair spritzer to kind of add some softness and moisturization. If it's feeling a little dry, sometimes I'll add some more water to it. I don't really go back with the edge gel too much. If I need to pick up the roots, I will use my pick. I like to take that with me in my purse a lot of days. But yeah, this is my wash and go, and I am super excited about it. Y'all, I ain't never had a wash and go this amazing until I used these products, like ever. So I hope you guys will check out the Lavender Collection. It is a bomb collection, and you can do even more with it than wash and goes. Be sure to follow me on Instagram at Jaleesa so we can keep this beauty conversation going. I'll see you beauties in my next video. Don't forget to glow. Bye.